then I gotta leave.
Connor.
It's Mama.
Hey.
Say Mama.
Hi, baby. Oh. Thank you. Here you go, Eddie. Wait. Hold on. Aha. Hi, baby. That's right. Yes.
My house.
Whoa. Oh my God. Yeah, okay. You know what this reminds me of? Remember the videos?
Over the cuckoo sniff?
Well. Oh boy. The videos we saw when I went home, where all of us would dance and sing and go crazy. That's what. What? Oh. Is that a dance move?
She just created her own mosh pit.
Connor?
We got Connor climbing the walls. What is this? What's in the air in here?
Wow. Dude, you gotta tone that down.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Is that fun? The sand? Oh my gosh. What did they have for dinner? Too much avocado, apparently.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, we're gonna turn it off.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Say goodnight.
Say bye-bye.
Night.
Kisses, Addy. Kisses. Mwah. Addy, blow kisses. Mwah. She's trying to lick it.
Trying to kiss it. Oh.
Oh, that's so nice. Hi. Aw, you kissed the doggy. Ooh, jeez. Hi. Hi, baby. Aw, you kissed the doggy. That's so nice. Give doggy a kiss. Okay, mommy, give kiss. No, Eddie, give kiss. Yes. Okay, then put the.
Feet.
You can put the doggy back.
Feet.
Connor, headbutt the doggy. Headbutt the doggy.
It's tough love.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
That Colorado air.
Oh, thank you.
Should we cut this off before someone calls social services?
I think so. All right then.
Right.
See, this is how we wind down for bedtime. Good, huh? Yeah. Addison.
Now let's just lay down very peacefully.
Addie.
Very calm.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Addie, over here. Addie. Addison, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye, sweetness. Bye.